guys, this is another episode of Absolute Secret Power, and today is day 9. And today we're opening X and Y Evolutions Pokemon Pack. I'm gonna open it, take out the code card. I do not want to see you guys see the code card. And we'll start with a coughing. Oh, a flying Pikachu. That is a secret rare. Yes, that is a flying Pikachu. That's a secret rare. Yes, that is so cool. Haunter, Poliwag, Voltorb, Weedle, Rattata, Tangela, a reverse Ghastly, and there is a... There we go. But it doesn't matter because this is a secret rare. It's one of the rarest cards of the set. So cool. Yes, we got a secret rare flying Pikachu. Thank you guys for subscribing. See you guys later. Wish you liked this video. Bye. Keep on seeking absolute secret power.